Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you're fine and good. If you first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click like and enable the ring, and after enable the ring, click again on it to choose it all to get all notification for all new videos. If you already subscribed, don't forget to like and share to all get benefits. We will continue word sessions. Today we will know how to add 3D module. 3D module, this is also new feature from the word. How to add it? We will go to insert menu. We will click on 3 module. You will see it's more categories. Yani based on your work you can go through which one based on your work. Yani actually I don't say. Okay, let's add this one. Let's give you choices also which one you wanted. Okay, let's choose this one. Insert. Waiting, it's of course inserted. This is 3D module. It's different from the another. Don't worry if it's a long time, it's not hang, it's added. And you see now, you see this is 3D module, like you already have it, the tab. You see what this is amazing new one, like you have the already real 3D tab in your computer, and after leave it like this in your document, and anyone can see it and move it from here. If he click here, he can look for everything he wants. You got it? Of course, طبعا small better front of the same options as before I explain it. Now you know how to add module. I hope you get benefits from my video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to all get benefits. See you in another videos. Bye bye.